we'll guide you through how to improve Google Drive upload speed. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, make sure you are signed in to your account. One of the most effective ways to boost your upload speed is to check your current internet connection. You need to make sure that your connection is stable and running at its full capacity. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection, as this can provide a more stable and faster connection. Next, you can close any unnecessary applications or tabs that might be using up bandwidth on your device. This ensures that Google Drive has maximum bandwidth available for uploads. Another important step is to adjust your Google Drive settings. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the Google Drive page and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, find the option for Offline and make sure it's unchecked if you're not using it. This prevents Google Drive from syncing files for offline use, which can slow down your uploads. You can also try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, which can sometimes resolve speed issues. If you're using Chrome, you can do this by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner, selecting Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally, Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data, and click Clear Data. Finally, if you're uploading large files, consider compressing them into a zip file before uploading. This can reduce the overall file size and potentially speed up the upload process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.